Guruji, Anantam Shukrana Guruji. Bin Dhaga Satsang na mile. I don't know, since last so many satsangs I start with this only. Probably, because we are so blessed that we have the opportunity in UAE and in Dubai to have these satsangs, blessed satsangs so freely. Let me tell you, I was on a business trip to Kuwait, and there I met some of the Pyaris Sangat. But just to let you know, in Kuwait, prayers are banned. You cannot do prayers either outside or even inside at your home. And you cannot even invite, Sangat for satsang. They cannot do it. Once, like, I met the very old Sangat, who basically was connected to Guruji when Guruji was in physical Chola. Means I'm talking about 1990s and all. The satsangs that I heard from Gauri Auntie, and thank you to Amit Uncle. This also I will say, it was a calling from Guruji, and that's why I'm saying, Bin Bhaga Satsang na mile. You sent me the number. Because I had to stay there for a week, so I had very packed Monday with 6 meetings lined up for the day. I thought I'm going to call Auntie later in the evening on Monday, and you would not believe, I get a call on Sunday from Auntie herself, and she tells me, and I was surprised, like, how does she have my number? But I didn't check anything, and she said that I got to know you are here every Monday. We have a satsang. Would you want to join for the satsang? I said, nothing more can I ask for it.
Exactly.
This is the biggest blessing that I am here, and I'm always hungry for satsangs. So then I confirmed to her for sure I will join. Next day, afternoon, she checked. I said, no, for sure, whatever, even if I have a meeting, I'm going to reschedule and I'll be there. And 2-3 hours before in the afternoon, she sent me a message. How would you come? I said, I'll come by a cab. Then she said, please don't talk about any prayer to anyone, any satsang to anyone. Because the moment you will do, they will go and file a complaint, and then whatever we are doing, we will not be able to do. And I have to tell, the darbar, what she had in her house was so mesmerizing, beautiful. I could feel Guruji's presence throughout. And again, I will say, which I always say, I have a picture. I don't know, Guruji has his ways of unique connection, but my connection is, it doesn't happen that he doesn't show me his presence. He always shows me his presence in some way or the other, whether the Swaroop or his om or something. And exactly that's what happened even that day. His darbar and Gaddi, I saw such a beautiful om, and it was very blessed. In addition to this is something, the first satsang, I'm sharing it for the first time. I have not shared this, but I'll just again, it's a blessing. It's not about materialistic thing, of course, never anything, and we don't even ask. I would say, manga nahi, manna karo. So I strongly believe in that, and I always surrender in a way. Whatever Guruji would give or bless us, it's his blessing and we accept it. I will talk about myself. I don't know where is Rajesh Uncle. It's very interesting satsang. I had a business meeting, and during the business, because when I got to know I have to go for a business meeting, prior to that, a month ago, I had applied for a US visa in UAE. And I think everybody knows, the waiting for the US visa appointment is almost a year. You will not get it. And my husband had renewal for US visa. So for him, of course, there is no appointment, but still there is a waiting. Applied everything, and when I got the appointment date, I got the appointment date of 2nd of June 2025. And then he was laughing, joking, and my daughter said, come on, now you cannot go. And I don't know, the statement that I said was, I will get the visa. So then you've got the appointment date of 2nd June 2025. How will you fly without the visa? I said, you waited what? I am going to fly. So when I got this, my business travel, I asked my person to apply for visa from Kuwait. He said, You just applied. I said, apply. Whatever happens, it's okay. And when he applied, you wouldn't believe, in 2 days, I got an appointment date. And that appointment date coincided with my visa in the meeting. And again, as per the standard protocols, even after the appointment, of course, on the day of appointment, you will get to know whether approved or not approved. But it will still take at least bare minimum 10 working days to get your visa on your passport. So it was again, I had my appointment on Sunday morning, and you wouldn't believe, Monday I got my visa. So if I tell you the entire process of applying for visa, for the appointment and getting the visa, it was 2 days for the appointment and 2 days for the visa. If I tell this to anyone, no one would believe. And by the way, Rajesh, it's his renewal of his visa. It's more than a month. He has still not got his visa renewal. So this is what, he is not that, and I am blessed and he is not blessed. Everybody is blessed over here. But this is what, when I say, when you surrender and you have so much of faith, means with so much of strong faith, I said, I am going to travel and I know I will get. From where will I get? I do not know, but I will get. So he ensured that this faith with which I said, not even more than 4 days, I got my visa. So anyway, this was just a satsang to share, just to let everyone know, because the moment we surrender, again, it's not about materialistic things, it's not about anything. It's just that you need to have faith, and the moment you have faith and you surrender, things unfold. Yes, it unfolds at the right time, which we do not know. He knows when is the right time. He knows when he has to give. Probably I also now think back, I could have had this visa, I don't know, many years ago, but I don't know why didn't I have it. Why did not I ever think of it? For me, means I work with an American company. I do travel a lot, but I never felt the need, or I did not have travel to maybe 20 countries except US, and I did not even have an urge to travel to US. It was just this time, I don't know why. Maybe Guruji was giving me that thought that no, this time you need to travel, and then he ensured that he gave me even the visa in just 4 working days, I have to say. Thank you, Guruji. Shukrana, Guruji. सत्संग में बिगाते रहिएगा और distraction और deviation से दूर रखिएगा. That's what. Thank you, Guruji.
And I guess we discussed about US visa long back, when I also said the same thing, that it will take a year for the appointment.
Exactly.
And it is difficult to travel on 21st, 22nd, whatever date.
And 4 working days, I get the visa. 2 days for appointment and 2 days. Means ever anyone could think that I have given an interview today morning and the next day evening I get a message, come and collect your passport.
Jai Guruji.
Jai Guruji.